This is really shocking news as far as Maggi is concerned, where the FDA has found that Nestle's Maggi instant noodles contain dangerous amount of lead and MSG. This is really so shocking to the extent that food inspectors across the country have in fact ordered a recall of Maggi noodles from shops. So this is something which is absolutely shocking and so difficult to believe that Maggi contains dangerous levels of lead. Now Maggi is something I and probably millions of others have grown up with, and have such amazing memories to the extent that I often recall what uh, at least refer to as Maggie memories. Preparing for exams, hungry in the middle of the night, what to have? Okay, let's have a Maggie. And then I remember my school days, my college days, often it would be nothing but Maggie, and you're hungry, you don't know what you want, what you can eat. And often the college canteen, school canteen, if not anything else, they would always have Maggie. Now, under such circumstances, I think this is such a big dent to brand Maggie, brand Nestle. And also, as I said, it's absolutely shocking. And so far, touch wood, I'm quite healthy and fine. And I would like to presume that that's the case with all those who've grown up on Maggie and continue to have Maggie. But then the fact that it contains dangerous levels of lead is quite shocking. And this is something, if at all true, Nestle is such a big company. Nestle should have looked into this much earlier. So that's the sad part. MSG, as far as MSG is concerned, monosodium glutamate, that's something which is there in a lot of other foods as well. Maggi is not the only culprit, if I can call it so. And the harm of MSG is actually speculative. It definitely adds to the taste. There's no doubt about that. And as far as its harm or no harm is concerned, that's speculation. So that's something which we cannot say with certainty. But then lead, of course, is harmful. So let's see how things pan out. But as of now, this seems to be quite a sad state of affairs as far as Nestle and Maggi is concerned.